Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council celebrates its 71st Foundation Day in Diphu. Construction of In Hetlangso LP School building left incomplete. SMWS fills potholes and repairs road from Hawarkehat Tri-Juncture to Samuguri Bazaar. Good morning, viewers. You're watching Karbi Anglong Live English Prime Time with me, Marvelous Parpi. And now the news in details. Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council celebrated its 71st Foundation Day at Diphu, hosted by Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Secretariat at Langkung Habe Sarsing Teron Auditorium Hall, Diphu. Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council was established in 23rd June 1951. Every year, the day is celebrated as Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Foundation Day. Likewise, this year, it was celebrated to mark the completion of its glorious 71 years. It was held at Langkung Habe Sarsing Teron Auditorium Hall, Diphu, hosted by the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Secretariat. The event began at 7:30 a.m. early morning. MP, CEM, MECs, officials and many other important dignitaries assembled to honor and pay tribute to Karbi legendary figures Ru Samson Singh Ingti, Khorsing Terang and Sarsing Teron by visiting their statues. Honorable Chairman of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Raju Tiso unfurled and hosted the national flag at Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Secretariat Complex. The Foundation Day was carried forward by CEM of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, Dr. Tuliram Ronghang. A brief history of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council was shared, their achievements and also the future plan of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council to development all around.
Ajur ding tui pen kajasong Bharat kachari aron along ke tok dak hembrega puthak pen tame hembrega puthak tame lahir puthai le tum chingwai chingsai pen ka pichun ji aphan team Karbi Anglong ahin pen Karbi Anglong arat ke doan hampangasong ke doan social civil organization ke doan student organization ke doan intellectual ke doan lapen ke orang awar saya klaim abang puang pergi doan tame iltum ning sipet pening king sipet pen klaim lu plong te iltum arni sipet ke iltum sayang deng iltum chuji.
The guest of honor of the event was Jogen Mohan, HAD Revenue and Disaster Management Minister, Government of Assam. Chief guest was Dr. Numal Momin, Deputy Speaker, Assam Legislative Assembly, Nandita Garlosa, Power Cooperative Mines and Minerals Minister, Government of Assam, Bidya Singh Inglang, MLA, Chairman, ASHIDC, Raju Tiso, Chairman Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, Horen Singh Bey, MP, Dorsing Ronghang, MLA, Padma Shri Professor Rongbong Tirang, Padma Shri Dhaneswar Ingti, Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, MECs and many important dignitaries attended the event.
আমি এই ধাৰণাৰে আমি হৰুচু কাৰ্বি আংলং জিলাখন আমি আৰু উত্তৰণ ঘটাব লাগিব বহুত স্কিম আমি দিব লাগে গভৰ্ণমেণ্টৰ আমাৰ ডক্টৰ হিমন্ত বিশ্ব শৰ্মা মুখ্যমন্ত্ৰী মহোদয়ে কাৰ্বি আংলঙক খুব ভাল পায় তেওঁ অন্তৰখন কাৰ্বি আংলঙতে আছে কৈছে তেওঁ স্পেচিয়েল ফাণ্ড আমি দিয়াৰ এবাৰ বাজেটত আলোচনা হৈছে স্পেচিয়েলি ফাণ্ড দিব এছঅপিডি ফাণ্ডটো আছেই আপোনালোকৰ যিখিনি আৰু স্পেচিয়েলি আপোনালোকৰ বিপদে আপদে স্কিম দিবৰ কাৰণে এটা নতুনকৈ এছঅপি পাছ হৈছে এটা বাজেটত এনাউন্স হৈছে অসম বিধানসভাত যে আমি হুকিয়াকে ফাণ্ড দিম অসম চৰকাৰে.
On this very occasion, Sar Angjok Tokbi was awarded with Khorsing Terang Award. Dharam Singh Teron was awarded with Excellent Award for his excellency. The Best Employee Awards of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council and many more awards were awarded at the event. News Text report with Longsudar Ingti for Karbi Anglong Live. The construction of In Hetlangso LP School is incomplete and abandoned, which consequently affects the fate of the children of Ram Terang village and its adjoining villages from receiving basic educational rights. The school is just few kilometers away from Koilamati, falling under Nilip constituency. The construction of the school building was sanctioned 4 years ago for its completion under MSDB scheme, but it was abandoned and left the school building incomplete. For the time being, the children of the local area received its classes from the community hall building by the department Elephant Corridor. At times when the Department of Elephant Corridor hosts their events or meetings at the community hall, the children are asked to return back home. This type of incident occurs frequently, affecting their academic hours. The residents of Ramterang village and its adjoining villages appeals the higher authority to look and intervene into this matter and urge the authority to complete the school building at the earliest time possible, as it is the only nearest educational institute and their children's fate is dependent upon it. Samson Ingti reports from Koilamati for KAL Live. Disappointed with the dilapidated condition of road, a local team from Hawarkihat had taken up the responsibility to fill potholes. Here is the report. Devastating road condition had left the commuters the most challenging task in the region. On seeing the poor condition of the road, Saint Mahaldar Welfare Society, on the occasion of KAL Autonomous Council Foundation Day on Thursday, organized social work for filling potholes from Hawarkihat Tri Juncture to Samuguri Bazaar for the convenience of daily commuters and small traders of the region. They had done it voluntarily without any help from the public as well as from the government.
Saint Mahaldar Welfare Society open social work untuk hikmati dan hukum dan manglo secretary president members teman-teman people only reclaim nang pakai hanglo ladak so Hawarkihat tiniaki Samuguri Bazaar an daily tum di gari ke suli pena jok penang hang tuar ilang mereka ini pen rata tu cehla ke sung do pena joini deli tu ekong pena masuk del tu welfare society hoi pen kolil tu social ke claim seperti ko jai me pen sipini del tu claim ko mekhang asai.
The task was led by President Bimal Teron, Vice President Ganesh Teron, General Secretary Tonkeshwar and Finance Secretary Thang Teron along with the team. Local commuters extended their heartfelt gratitude to SWMS for this gesture towards the welfare of the society.
Saint Supply Society for me as a Hawarkihat Tingali for our Samuguri Bazaar look অলপ ৰাস্তাটো বেয়া হৈ আছে আমাৰ সোসাইটিৰ পৰা আমি ৰাস্তাটো বনাইছো মানুহৰ যাতে সুবিধা হয় অহা যোৱাৰ কাৰণে এইখিনি আজি কাউন্সিলৰ ফাউণ্ডেশ্যন দে নহয় জানো কাউন্সিলৰ ফাউণ্ডেশ্যন দিয়াৰ দিনাখন আমি এই কামটো আজি উপলমে কৰি আছো এতিয়া.
Dirchuna Rongpi from Phuluni and Harsing Rongpi from Hawarkihat reports for KAL Live. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.